What's up, everybody? Welcome back to On the Front of the Garage. Today we're working on the GS430 and we're going to show you how to go from this to this. Happy? So I'm going to do 6,000 and then get the way to 1,200, but I might just end up at 1,000. Then the process of looking for those, I found these. I got an 800 and 1,000 and a 600 on the metal on the machine already. So I'm gonna try knocking it out with that. I just gotta be real careful with this machine that I don't take out too much material. Just cleaning it with some glass cleaner right now to try to get off any bugs, tar, anything that might be stuck on the glass or on the plastic. It's crazy, that yellow stuff that comes off. It's like that oxidation too that builds up on these things because they are plastic. So, and don't worry, the Civic's almost done. We're getting ready to take it to the shop to get tuned. We're going to be moving soon, so we're moving the garage to a different space. Hopefully it's a better working space, but if not, it'll at least be a 2-car and we'll still get shit done. So I built that Accord with no garage at all, and when I finally had a garage, I was able to get a lot done in a small ass space. So, but alright, now I'm going to start sanding. I'm going to try to see what I can do by hand. You see that white stuff right here, that's plastic that's coming off. What you don't want is it to be like yellow and then stop, because if it's yellow, that's still the oxidation that's coming off. But you want it to be kind of clear, not so much white. You want to make sure you get real good around the edges, because that's where it's going to peel off from first when you use that clear that I'm going to use at the end. I'm going to be using a cross pattern. Alright, so I did some wet sanding with my lady. Thank you, baby. She helped me get to the point that we're at now. It's foggy. It's kind of where you want it. This one I think is like the best one so far. That's how you want it. Such a big surface. Just some, I went ahead and taped off excessively. So I am going to use 2K clear. Alright. Next step's the fun part. Alright, using 2K clear. It's got hardener mixer. Just pop the bottom after you've shaken the can for 2 minutes, and then shake it again for 2 minutes. So I'm just going to pop it like this.
Aren't you going to try to tape it again?
Get it clean up. Huh? What's that?
I thought we were going to try to tape it again.
Yeah, okay. Alright, so I'm just going to do really light coat and then 2 heavier coats. Maybe 3.
Luckily, the Home Depot does.
Couple of
And
test
with an
sprays.
exclusive lineup of green water heaters, the best name in the business, there's a lot to think about. Like green gas electrical tankless, even Wi-Fi enabled models that can monitor leaks and adjust settings while you're away. What do you think about that? Today's the day to do it. And upgrade to a green water heater exclusively at the Home Depot.
Alright, that's the first coat. Goes on kind of foggy. I'm gonna let that sit for like maybe 10 minutes tops, and then I'm gonna hit it. Maybe 7 minutes because the wind's kind of blowing today. It's a nice day though.
That looks so good.
Hit it one last one. I'm afraid of runs, but alright. I might get some runs, but whew, don't let the towel go. Alright, so I did 3 coats, guys. Most people just do 2, but I did 3 heavies and 1 light. And that last little spray that you guys see, that'd be almost like a 4th coat. But what a difference, huh? What do you think, babe?
That looks really good.
Different?
That looks great.
Has a lot to do with this. This stuff makes all the difference in the world, guys. Spend the money on it. If you buy 2, it's a better deal. You buy 4, it's an even better deal. I only got 2, but saved like $5 a can. They're normally like 19 bucks. So Amazon, hit them up. It's the only place I've been able to find it. Alright guys, well, so remember, I started a Windex stick, cleaned it real good, microfiber, hit it with some 600 grit, went to 800, ended up knocking the rest out with 1,000. I was gonna go 1,200, decided not to. As you can tell, they're not brand new, but they're way better than they used to be, right? So, one light coat real quick. Then I hit it with 2, 3 heavy coats with like 10-minute spans in a real ventilated area that was kind of windy, but in a good windy way. And it's like 80 degrees, like 75 degrees out in San Diego. So, yeah, guys, that's gonna wrap it up. So, hey, appreciate you guys hanging out. Like, comment, subscribe, like I always ask. But don't trip. Civic's coming. The Accord is coming. Which I'm even more excited about with the Accord coming, guys. So, like, seriously, like, I already got parts up on the shelf for it, you know, fuel rail, cams, you know, I got throttle body, you know, so I'm getting injectors. So let me know if you guys think 100-tune injectors. From what I understand, they'll do the job. They carry up to like 400 horsepower, and I'm thinking initially I'm gonna go all motor with those cams. Put the car together, let it run for a while, get it on the track, tune out some issues with brakes and suspension and so forth and tires, and then eventually buy a turbo kit. So with that being said, I'm gonna wrap the video up. We're taking this thing to the track as soon as we get it tuned and some alignment and tires and so forth. But they're looking good. But check out the headlights. Pretty good. Pretty good, huh? So that's what mine looks like. That's what a new one looks like. So I get it. Not as nice, but way better, right? So hey, again, thanks for hanging out. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out. Just like do like all done. Happy? What do you think, babe? Look good?
It's great.
Better, for sure.